I am an international student. Which AP should I apply in class 9th? So technically we say over the period of class 9 to class 12th, you should be able to do 4 to 8 APs. If you do that, you would be able to reduce at least one semester in your undergrad program. Now, which AP should I prefer for class 9th? Now, class 9th, if we talk about AP statistics, AP statistics is relatively a easier AP, and this is what we would say or recommend that you can apply in your class 9. Again, AP from Humanities and Social Sciences course, for example, AP Human Geography, AP Psychology are some of the courses that you can try in your 9th. If you are a relatively good student, I would definitely recommend going for humanities courses in 9th and 10th, and going for science courses in 11th and 12th is a good option.